The San Diego Association of Governments, or SANDAG, is developing San Diego Forward, the 2019 to 2050 regional plan. The regional plan will provide a big picture vision for our region over the next 30 years, with an implementation program to make that vision a reality. Key to developing the regional plan is the regional growth forecast that predicts how the region's population will grow and where people will live and work. As local cities in the county update their plans for how communities will grow in the future, SANDAG uses this information to develop the regional growth forecast. The forecast for the future of the San Diego region has changed. In the 1990s, forecasts envisioned our communities expanding to the east, coupled with longer solo commutes. Now, as we look 30 years ahead, most new residents, housing, and jobs are expected to be added within our existing communities. Our focus is now on connecting communities through expanded transportation choices, bike networks, transit options, cutting-edge technologies, and innovative transportation solutions such as on-demand shared services, microtransit, or neighborhood electric vehicles. Millions of trips are taken on our transportation network every day, on transit, in vehicles, and on bikes. You choose how you get to work, school, shopping, medical appointments, family and friend visits, and other trips. Some people may take transit or carpool to work to save costs. Others ride a bike to school or on short errands. And sometimes you might walk to a coffee shop, park, or library. We may not always realize it, but time, cost, and convenience weigh into where we're going and how we decide to get there. Understanding how the needs of our region may change over time is a crucial part of planning for our future, which is why SANDAG looks at trends in population, housing, and jobs. Using complex computer modeling, we predict how our region's population will change, what kinds of trips residents and visitors will take in the future, how they will travel, and how those choices will impact our transportation network and quality of life. A number of factors are considered, taking into account information such as traffic flow, transit ridership, where people live and work, household survey results, and more. We can make daily travel predictions. SANDAG uses this information to consider our network's capabilities. The regional plan will include investments in transportation projects, such as transit services, bike lanes, express lanes, and smart intersection investments, as well as programs, such as van pools and electric vehicle charging stations. Policies can help maximize these investments, such as parking management, roadway pricing, transit fare adjustments, and ride-sharing incentives. The transportation model helps us explore how each scenario could change traffic flows, costs, and transportation patterns throughout the region. And the transportation networks can include a system of managed lanes, shared mobility projects, technology investments, pricing, and various programs. Perhaps this could lead to more people using bikeways or riding transit, or carpooling in express lanes. These models help us better understand what factors support the goals of the plan and which move us away from those goals. An increase in managed lanes could lead to more shared rides and fewer cars on the road, and could reduce the level of greenhouse gases in our region. SANDAG runs these models to see how different combinations of projects and programs affect our transportation system. These scenarios and how they would perform help the SANDAG board and the public make decisions about the future investments in our region's roadways, transit, bikeways, services, and more, all of which are crucial parts of the regional plan. As we develop these network scenarios, we understand how the regional plan can meet the needs of all communities in our diverse region, from our borders on the north and south, and from East County to the ocean. This new future means focusing on new ways to get around, a healthier environment and communities, and a better quality of life for all. Learn more about San Diego Forward, the 2019 to 2050 regional plan, and subscribe to receive email updates at sdforward.com.